Hi, my dear children. Welcome back to our maths class. I hope you all are doing well and safe at your home. Let's continue this chapter number world with an activity from the textbook. The population of some states of India according to the 2011 census is given below. Order the states according to their population. Here, we are going to order these states according to their population in descending order. For doing this, it will be easy if we write the number of digits corresponding to the population of each state. The state with largest population is having the largest number of digits. The population of UP and Bihar are 9-digit numbers. Now look at the first two digits from the left, that is the number in the 10 crores place and the crores place. It is 19 and 10. Then UP comes first in the population and it is the state having largest population of 19 crore 95 lakh 81,477, and the Bihar is in the second place with a population of 10 crores 38 lakh 4,637. Now we shall take the population of state with 8-digit numbers. Then look at the first two digits of these 8-digit numbers, that is the number in the crores place and the number in the 10 lakhs place. And the largest among them is 72, and it is Tamil Nadu with a population of 7 crore 21 lakh 38,958, and it is in the third place. The next largest is Rajasthan, and it is in the fourth place. It has the population of 6 crore 86 lakh 21,012. Next, in the fifth place, it is Karnataka with a population of 6 crore 11 lakh 30,704. In the sixth place, it is Kerala with a population of 3 crore 33 lakh 87,677. Then, in the seventh place, it is Punjab with a population of 2 crore 77 lakh 4,236. In the eighth place, it is Haryana with a population of 2 crore 53 lakh 53,081. In the ninth place, it is Jammu and Kashmir with a population of 1 crore 25 lakh 48,926. And in the 10th place, it is Uttarakhand with a population of 1 crore 1 lakh 16,752. Now, we shall look at the population of states having 7-digit numbers. Here also, look at the first two digits of these numbers. Here, Himachal Pradesh and Goa are the states having population with 7-digit numbers. The highest among them is Himachal Pradesh, having a population of 68 lakh 56,509, and it is in the 11th place. And Goa is in the 12th place with a population of 14 lakh 57,723. Now, we shall look at the population of states having 6-digit numbers. Here, only one state is having a population with a 6-digit number, and it is Sikkim with a population of 6,07,688, and it is in the 13th place. Here, we had ordered the states according to their population from largest to smallest. Now find out from the table which is the state with least population, what is its population. Which is the state with largest population, what is its population. What is the difference in population between these two states? We found out that the state with least population is Sikkim, and its population is 6,07,688. And the state with largest population is Uttar Pradesh with a population of 19 crore 95 lakh 81,477. Now we have to find out the difference between them. That is, the difference is equal to 19 crore 95 lakh 81,477 minus 6 lakh 7,688. We have to subtract from the right side to the left side. First of all, subtract the numbers in the ones place. We have to subtract 8 from 7. We can't subtract 8 from 7. Then borrow from the next number in the tens place. Then 7 will become 17 and the number in the tens place 7 will become 6. Then 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. Next, subtract the numbers in the tens place. We can't subtract 8 from 6. Then borrow from the next number. Then 6 will become 16 and the number in the hundreds place 4 will become 3. Now subtract the numbers in the tens place. That is, subtract 8 from 16. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Next, we shall subtract the numbers in the hundreds place. We can't subtract 6 from 3. Then we have to borrow from the next number in the thousands place. Then 3 will become 13. And the number in the thousands place 1 will become 0. Then 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Next, we have to subtract the numbers in the thousands place. Here the number is 0. Then borrow from the next number from the 10,000 place. Then 0 will become 10 and 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Then the number in the 10,000 place become 7. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. Next, in the lakhs place, we have to subtract 6 from 5. We can't subtract 6 from 5. Then borrow from the number in the 10 lakhs place. Then 5 will become 15 and the number in the 10 lakh place 9 will become 8. Then 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Then there is no number for subtracting in the next place. Then write 8 here. Next 9 and then 1. Now we got the answer as 19 crore 89 lakh 73,789. Is it clear for you? Next question. What is the total population of our neighboring states Tamil Nadu and Karnataka? Now find out the total population. The population of Tamil Nadu is equal to 7 crore 21 lakh 38,958 plus the population of Karnataka, that is 6 crore 11 lakh 30,704. Now start adding from the right side. That is 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Write 2 here and carry over 1. Then 1 plus 5 equal 6. 6 plus 0 equal 6. Write 6 here. The next number 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Write 6 here and carry over 1. Then 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Then next number 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Then 1 plus 1 equal 2. 2 plus 1 equal 3. And 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. Now we got the total population of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka as 13 crore 32 lakh 69,662. Is it clear for you? Here is a homework for you. Do it well. That's all for today, children. We shall continue our class on the next day. Okay? Thank you.